What up, guys? Welcome back to Hanging with the Boys.
Cut. We got a name change.
Yeah, so we changed our name to Quick Off the Line. I hope y'all like that more. We were running into a lot of problems with the other name. Plus, it's really long.
And every time you looked it up, come up to the Dallas Cowboys.
Yeah, so we decided we're going to go with something that people could probably search and find us a lot easier. But hopefully y'all like that. Anyways, this video, we're going to be tearing down the 2013 Subaru Impreza engine.
Next video. This is just a quick update to let you know that's a name change.
Oh, yeah. You want to put this in part of it?
I didn't think you would. I just thought you'd make 2 videos.
Oh, yeah. We can do 2.
That way you have more content.
But anyways, that's the plan, guys. So we hope y'all enjoy and come back and watch us, because we're trying to get big and we're slowly starting to get subscribers, and we thank y'all for that. But we need the views, guys. I'm telling you. Subscribers is great, but...
And we'll do a $50 gift card giveaway when we get to 1,000 subscribers.
So y'all
for
heard
everybody that subscribed, we'll put all the names in the drawing, and then whoever wins a $50 gift card.
Yeah.
Visa gift card, so you can get it. You can go wherever you want.
Think about that, guys. $50. Everybody needs $50 for gas. I know that.
Especially in these times.
Yeah. So,
we appreciate everything, and just keep liking, following, and commenting.
What up, guys? Welcome back to
the first video of Quick Off the Line.
There you go.
The official name change.
So, what we're doing in this video, tearing down the engine. We're gonna tear
Subaru for this head gasket to see if it's a cracked head or just a blown head gasket. Really hope it's just a blown head gasket. But about to get started.
Don't touch me.
Alright. Where do you want this to sit? Oh my gosh. Look at all that. That's wild.
It's lubed up.
I have to cut. I gotta take a potty break. Dude.
Welcome back, guys. Here's the progress on the 2013 Subaru Impreza engine. Got everything off, just about. Next thing we gotta do is get the tensioners. We gotta make sure we get them pressed in a little bit so we can get that stuff off. There's all the peanut butter. Look at all of it in there. It's pretty gross, but that's the progress. And if you all want to see the rest of the video, be up on YouTube. So there's that, guys. Look at all that peanut butter, guys. Gosh dang. Your floor is definitely gonna have to be cleaned.
Yeah, especially over here. Yeah, get some oil dry.
Look at all that.